So here we are at J&J Honey again. We're going to do a hive inspection here, and we're going to do a mite inspection. We're going to try to pull out 300 bees and do the Dawn dish soap wash and get a mite count and see what our mite loads are. So you guys are here to join us with that, and we are beginner beekeepers. We did overwinter this hive, so this is our first time having a second year hive. Gonna go through, make sure we don't have the queen in our sample, and then we're gonna do our test.
It is a crappy part of beekeeping, having to kill your bees, but in the long run it's good. You're sacrificing a few for the whole hive.
So we also have some small hive beetle cages in here, traps. We're gonna give them a quick look and make sure that we don't have any small hive beetles in here. Alright, smoke goes down. So we got some bugs in there. It looks like ants. No hive beetles, but yeah, at least we're catching ants. Ants aren't a big problem for the hive. The bees usually take care of them or just ignore them. This one we get some pollen patties. Looks like another ant. Color of that one changed quite a bit compared to the other one. The other one's almost clear, but that's the 2 chunks of pollen in there. And what's in there is vegetable oil, I believe, right?
Canola oil.
Canola oil, same thing. So our bee population has definitely expanded since the last time we were in here. I mean, just looking in here, I can see that we probably doubled or tripled our bee count, so that's awesome. The biggest thing is make sure the queen is not in our sample. We kill the queen, we gotta go and buy a new queen, and it'll just be all kinds of problems. Well, that's a comb that they drew out. They're doing a pretty good job there. We want to take our sample off of
Nurse bee.
Yeah, so we're going to find a frame that has a lot of nurse bees on it. Some capped and uncapped brood maybe. Take that and set it down here. The reason I'm wearing a full suit today is because I am going to shake these bees off this frame. They're probably not going to enjoy that too much. I'm going to catch them in a box and then try to scoop them up with a measuring cup. So we got a lot of eggs over here. We're going to check for the queen. Looks like they're all starting to lean over, so she could have been here like within the last couple days. See what our other side looks like.
Right there.
Oh yeah, right there, perfect. So we know where the queen is. So we could take this frame and push it over towards the wall. That'll help keep her off of our other frames that we're gonna check.
I wouldn't put that in.
We're not gonna clean in there. And we can continue with what we're gonna do.
She's really big.
Yeah, I lost her.
No, I see it.
Where?
Right in front of you.
See a good picture over there. Zoom in on her. else we got going on in here? I'm gonna exclude the queen from the rest of you.
Oh, little helicopters are flying.
Alright, I'm gonna get my murder box ready. It is.
Yeah.
The box of murder.
I call it a murder box.
So here I got a box that I'm gonna shake the bees into. I have my measuring cup and my testing cup. My testing cup has a nice little basket, so you can pull your bees out and get a good accurate count. This is our first time doing this, like I said, so we're gonna see how well it works. We're going with the Dawn dish soap. I just forgot to pick up rubbing alcohol at the store, so. Jump right into the middle of the hive here, but I think we'll have our best luck there.
Cooper. Hi. Hi. Get your ball. Hi, Cooper.
So I think this will be a good frame. We got a lot of capped brood. We got some eggs in there.
I'm making some queen cells.
Hopefully those aren't queen cells.
What's on the bottom?
It just looks like they pulled out some more comb. Doing their own thing with the comb there, stretching it on the bottom. So it looks like we have some drone cells, but I wouldn't call any of those queen cells. So we're gonna go ahead and shake this one off.
Hold on.
Oh, we got a bee doing a dance. All right, so if you look, we got one bee doing a wiggle dance over there in the corner, right down here. So that's pretty cool. Just telling the other bees where to find some good pollen and nectar.
Hopefully not a better hive.
No, I think everything looks real good in here. We're gonna give them a shake and see what we get. Get some sugar water coming out with all that. Go ahead and slide them back in there.
Make sure you don't have a queen.
I don't. Alright. Try to get a good couple of you girls up in here. It's a half cup. We're going for about 300 bees. Get a little more. Sorry, girls.
Did you put the water in there yet?
Not yet. Alright, we got our soap water here. We got our cup. Kind of just knock them down a little bit, and then we'll give them a rinse. Fill it up to the line. Give them all a good dosing. Sorry, girls. It's the worst thing I've done to you. And we're going to shake them up. Give them a couple rinses so that we make sure we get an accurate count. So all the bees in here are going to be dead already. That's the point of the dish soap, is to kill them quickly. So the one issue with the Dawn dish soap is we're going to have a lot of suds in there. Some people say you should just let it sit overnight and then count them. We'll try to get the suds to break down a little faster and get an accurate count here. Alright, and we'll continue this once I go in the house and get these kind of figured out, what I'm going to do with them, rinse them a couple times, and let you know what we got for my count. Alright, so we did our mite check. I rinsed them 2 or 3 times. I haven't found a single mite. I feel really good about that, but on the other hand, I feel horrible because I just killed 300 bees for no reason. But there was a reason. We needed to find out what our mite load was. We're sitting at 0 mites, so we got a 0% mite load. I don't know if you guys could see the cup, but yeah, there's no mites. I got a couple little pieces of bee in there. I shook it pretty vigorously. Got a stinger in there. And that is it. Not a single mite. Awesome. We got the hive already buttoned back up. You got a lot of bees in the front there. Some of the ones that I wasn't able to get back in the hive, I'm sure, are flying back.